Namaskar friends. Welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Electro Optic System secures US $124 million UAE counter-drone order and advances Generation 5 laser weapons joint venture. Electro Optic Systems Holdings Limited has secured a $124 million United States dollars order for its Slinger counter-drone remote weapon system. The order will be supplied to Generation 5 Holding LLC, a wholly UAE-owned defense equipment, technology and services provider headquartered in Abu Dhabi. The order includes the remote weapon systems, cannon, spares, training, and other supplies. EOS Electro-Optic Systems said it understands the systems are intended to strengthen defense systems in light of ongoing regional tensions in the Middle East. EOS Electro-Optic Systems describes Slinger as its market-leading cannon-based counter-drone defense system. The systems are expected to be manufactured in Australia and the UAE and delivered during 2027 and 2028. The order is subject to Generation 5's customary terms and export approval requirements. It follows EOS Electro-Optic Systems' the 20th of May 2026 announcement that Generation 5 had committed to subscribe for $30 million Australian dollars of fully paid ordinary shares in EOS Electro-Optic Systems as part of a strategic placement. That share subscription remains conditional on shareholder approval under ASX Listing Rule 7.1. EOS Electro-Optic Systems said the approval was being sought at its extraordinary general meeting on Friday the 26th of June 2026. EOS Electro-Optic Systems also said it had entered into a binding conditional joint venture shareholders agreement with Generation 5. The agreement is intended to establish an incorporated joint venture for high-energy laser weapons and remote weapon systems. The proposed joint venture would cover development, manufacturing and global distribution of a next-generation 200 to 300 kilowatts high-energy laser weapon. It would also cover manufacturing and distribution of EOS Electro-Optic Systems' existing 100 to 150 kilowatts high-energy laser weapon in the UAE and certain Middle East and North Africa markets. The scope includes work linked to the UAE-Korean offset program arising between the UAE and the Republic of Korea. It also covers manufacturing and distribution of certain existing EOS remote weapon systems, including the R400, R500, and R800 in the UAE and certain other MENA countries. EOS Electro-Optic Systems said the joint venture is a strategic growth initiative designed to capitalize on EOS technology and establish advanced manufacturing capability in the UAE. The company said the structure could accelerate development, production and sales of next-generation high-energy laser weapon technology. The joint venture is expected to be based in Abu Dhabi. EOS said it is anticipated to have 50-50 equity contribution and profit sharing between Generation 5 and EOS Electro-Optic Systems, subject to UAE laws and government approvals. Under the agreement, Generation 5 is obligated to contribute $40 million United States dollars of equity to the joint venture. EOS is obligated to contribute existing intellectual property for laser and remote weapon system technology to support the joint venture's activities and its equity position. The agreement is conditional on final EOS and Generation board approvals and the finalization and entry into agreements granting intellectual property rights to the joint venture. The parties must also obtain necessary import and export approvals in a final al-Bajoy jurisdictions. EOS and Gen 5 will use reasonable endeavors to secure, within 12 months, a minimum $250 million United States dollars order for development of a 200 to 300 kilowatts high-energy laser weapon product family. They will also seek, within 9 months, a contract for several 100 kilowatts high-energy laser weapons with a minimum aggregate value of $290 million United States dollars. The agreement also includes work to progress a solution with Tawazun on potential offset credit benefits for EOS. EOS said this could extinguish in full or in part a previous obligation to contribute to economic development in the UAE. The joint venture will not be required to pay ongoing royalties for the use of intellectual property contributed by EOS. It will also own intellectual property created under any contract awarded to it for development of a 200 to 300 kilowatts high-energy laser weapon product family, with possible licensing back to the partners in certain circumstances. EOS and Generation the 5th of May choose to extend the scope of the joint venture in the future. Potential additions could include elements of command and control systems or space control capabilities. EOS expects work on joint venture formation, condition satisfaction and other activities to continue during 2026 and into the future. The company said there is no guarantee that the key steps to establish the joint venture will be completed, or that any future orders will be received by the joint venture. EOS said the proposed joint venture could start contributing to its results from 2027 or 2028, if the conditions and requirements of the agreement are fulfilled. The company also said there is no guarantee that potential increases in the order book will be secured. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.